Welcome back to Fit Fusion. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of daily stretching. Have you ever wondered what happens when you commit to a daily stretching routine for 30 days? Well, in this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of stretching and explore the amazing effects it can have on your body and overall well-being. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey as we provide you with valuable tips to maximize your stretching routine. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get started on this stretching adventure. Tip 1. Improved flexibility. One of the most noticeable changes you'll experience when stretching every day is improved flexibility. Regular stretching helps to lengthen and loosen your muscles, allowing them to move through a greater range of motion. As you progress through your 30-day stretching challenge, you'll likely find that those stretches that seemed impossible at the beginning become more accessible and comfortable. This increased flexibility can enhance your athletic performance, improve your posture, and make everyday activities easier. Additionally, improved flexibility can reduce the risk of injuries by allowing your body to move more freely. So, get ready to touch your toes, reach for the stars, and discover a whole new level of flexibility. Tip 2. Enhanced blood circulation. Stretching gets your blood flowing. When you stretch, you stimulate blood circulation to your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. This improved circulation delivers essential nutrients and oxygen, while also removing waste products more efficiently. Increased blood flow to your muscles can help with their recovery and growth, and it also plays a vital role in preventing muscle cramps. Additionally, the improved circulation can promote tissue repair, reduce muscle soreness, and contribute to an overall sense of well-being. So, get ready to feel the warm rush of blood as you stretch your way to a healthier you. Tip 3. Reduced muscle tension. Many of us carry tension and stress in our muscles, which can lead to discomfort and even pain. Daily stretching can be a powerful tool to release muscle tension. By stretching regularly, you help relax tight muscles, ease muscle knots, and reduce muscle stiffness. As you continue your stretching routine, you may notice a significant reduction in muscle soreness and tightness. This can provide relief from muscular aches and pains, and leave you feeling more relaxed and comfortable throughout the day. Stretching also promotes the release of endorphins, natural pain-relieving and mood-boosting chemicals in the brain. So, get ready to say goodbye to those knots, and hello to a more relaxed and happier body. Tip 4. Improved posture. Stretching plays a crucial role in improving your posture. Spending long hours sitting or slouching can cause imbalances in your muscles, leading to poor posture. By incorporating stretching into your daily routine, you can target and stretch those muscles that tend to become tight and contribute to poor posture, such as the chest, shoulders, and hips. Regular stretching helps realign your body, allowing you to stand taller and maintain a more natural, healthy posture. Over time, you may notice a significant improvement in your overall posture, which not only enhances your appearance, but also reduces the risk of developing musculoskeletal issues. So, get ready to stand tall, walk with confidence, and exude a positive presence with improved posture. Tip 5. Increased energy levels. Stretching is not only beneficial for your muscles and joints, but can also give you an energy boost. When you stretch, you activate your body, increase blood flow, and awaken your senses. This can help you feel more alert and invigorated, making stretching a great way to start your day, or to combat the mid-afternoon slump. The energizing effects of stretching can also enhance your productivity and focus, allowing you to tackle tasks with renewed vigor. So, get ready to kickstart your day, maintain your energy throughout, and accomplish more with the help of a consistent stretching routine. Tip 6. Stress relief. In our fast-paced lives, stress can take a toll on our bodies. Luckily, stretching can be a fantastic stress relief tool. When you stretch, you engage in mindful movement, focusing on your body and breath. This can help calm your mind, reduce stress hormones, and promote relaxation. Incorporating stretching into your daily routine can be a wonderful way to carve out a moment of tranquility for yourself. Consider combining your stretching routine with deep breathing exercises or meditation to amplify the stress-relieving benefits. So, get ready to let go of stress, find your inner peace, and create a sanctuary of serenity through the power of stretching. Tip 7. Injury prevention. Stretching regularly can help prevent injuries by improving your flexibility and joint mobility. When your muscles and connective tissues are flexible, they are less prone to strains, tears, and other injuries. By including a warm-up routine with dynamic stretches before physical activities and static stretches afterward, you can help prepare your body and reduce the risk of injuries. Additionally, stretching can improve your body's overall balance and coordination, further minimizing the chance of accidental injuries. So get ready to safeguard your body, enjoy your favorite activities without worries, and keep injuries at bay with a consistent stretching practice. Tip 8. Better sleep. If you struggle with sleep issues, stretching before bed may be just what you need. Engaging in gentle, relaxing stretches can help release physical tension and quiet your mind, creating an ideal environment for a restful night's sleep. Stretching promotes relaxation and can help alleviate the buildup of stress and anxiety that often interfere with falling asleep. Incorporate calming stretches into your bedtime routine, such as gentle yoga poses or stretching exercises targeting the neck, shoulders, and hips. Just a few minutes of stretching before bed can help you unwind and prepare your body for a night of deep, rejuvenating sleep. So, get ready to embrace peaceful nights, wake up refreshed each morning, and seize the day with renewed energy. Tip 9. Improved athletic performance. Whether you're an athlete or a casual fitness enthusiast, stretching every day can have a profound impact on your athletic performance. By improving your flexibility, stretching allows your muscles to move through a wider range of motion, enhancing your agility, speed, and overall athletic ability. Furthermore, increased flexibility can help optimize your technique in various sports and exercises, leading to better results and reduced risk of injuries. Stretching also helps to increase muscle coordination and balance, enabling you to perform at your best. So, get ready to unlock your athletic potential, reach new heights in your performance, and take your fitness journey to the next level with a consistent stretching routine. Tip 10. Mind-body connection. Last but certainly not least, daily stretching cultivates a stronger mind-body connection. As you engage in stretching exercises, you become more aware of your body, its limitations, and its capabilities. This heightened sense of body awareness can extend beyond your stretching routine and positively influence your overall well-being. You'll become more in tune with your body's needs, allowing you to make better choices when it comes to exercise, nutrition, and self-care. This connection can empower you to live a healthier, more balanced life. So get ready to deepen your mind-body connection, embrace self-awareness, and embark on a journey of self-discovery through the power of stretching. And there you have it. The benefits of stretching every day for 30 days are truly remarkable. From improved flexibility and posture to reduced muscle tension and enhanced well-being, incorporating stretching into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your body and mind. So, why not give it a try? Start with a few simple stretches and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you feel more comfortable. Remember to listen to your body, be patient, and enjoy the journey of discovering your newfound flexibility. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our stretching adventures.